I always had a passion for cooking at home. I would always cook with my mum, and I just wanted to make a career out of it and see where it would take me. I'm the head chef and co-owner at Dawson in Kew. We're an all-day eatery serving modern Australian food and wood-fired pizzas. The best thing about pizza is it's very versatile. We're just going to make sure that our pizza oven is at the right temperature. So we recommend cooking at 200 degrees for home cooks, but if you really want that restaurant quality crispy crust, we recommend going up to 370 to 400 degrees. Just put your wood and coals just in the back corner. By adjusting the chimney damper, this will allow it to get more oxygen into the oven, which helps maintain the heat of the fire. So first off, we're going to make our pizza dough. We have 00 flour, fresh yeast, and water at room temperature. We're just going to use our fingertips here, just with a pinching action, just to get that mixed evenly. So once it all starts to come together, that's when you know it's time to add the olive oil and the salt. And we're just going to continue to knead it. Press it down with the palm of our hand and just fold it back over itself. Keep them 2 inches apart, just so they don't stick together when they rise. Cover it in cling wrap and leave them to rest overnight. So once we take it out of our tray, we're just going to coat it in the flour here. So we're just going to turn our dough anti-clockwise and just use 2 hands and then just stretch them both out. Flip it over just to make sure it's not sticking to our board. Fold it over to one hand and then fold it back onto the other hand. And we're just going to check on our oven, make sure we got it at the right temperature. What I love about this Matador Pizza Oven is that it gets up to really high temperatures, and it also maintains its heat and gives us really great quality pizzas. Another thing I love is that it's got a stone base that gives you a really great flavour that builds up over time. First, we're going to make salami pizza. So we got San Marzano tomatoes over here. And you want to just make sure that you keep about 2 centimetres for the crust, field latte on there. So we have some hot suppressor salami. And we're just going to grab a few leaves of fresh basil. With our prosciutto pizza, we're just going to cook it like this with the mozzarella on the base. And we're going to add all our toppings on after. And the third pizza we're making is a mushroom pizza. We got some Swiss brown mushrooms, cup mushrooms. And then over here we have some porcini mushrooms. Thyme really complements the mushrooms. Once you've got your pizza in there, you just want to keep the oven door open just to make sure it's cooking nice and evenly. And the heat from the pizza just warms up that prosciutto nicely. With our mushroom pizza, we're just going to finish it off with a bit of fresh gorgonzola, and we're just going to crumble that on top. And there you have it, restaurant quality pizzas that you can make at home using the Matador Pizza Oven.